conversation between two friends about the teachers.
What are you doing, Sam? I am going to write a letter. You live with your family, so to whom do you want to write a letter? I want to write a letter to my teacher, Carrie D'Souza. But why? I want to say thank you to her for teaching me. Because of her, I have passed the examination with good marks. But you have passed because of your ability. But if she had not taught me well, I would never have passed with good marks. But it is the duty of all the teachers. What is the need to say thank you in this? Don't say that. We should express our gratitude to our teachers for teaching us. Without them, we can never be successful in life. Do you remember who first taught you alphabet? No, I don't remember. Do you remember? Yes. How can I forget? The one who first taught me alphabet. When we don't forget celebrities, how can we forget those teachers who are an important part of our success? You are absolutely right. Parents give birth to us, while teachers give us education. We give so much respect to celebrities, cricketers, leaders, but we don't even say thank you to the teachers. I agree with you. Whereas, behind these celebrities, cricketers, and leaders, there are definitely some teachers who train them. Yes. They are like the leading blocks of the society, which educate people and make them better human beings. Yes, you are right. They are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. They also contribute a lot in the progress of the country. That's why we should respect our teachers. At least, we should say thank you to our teachers. Yes. Now you are absolutely right. I will also say thank you to my teacher. Sure.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.